So within this we have installed DSC 360 bird view camera. So let's see the demonstration of it. So now my vehicle is on, it's in neutral. Okay, so let me start the camera. So this is a remote which comes with the system itself, and I have integrated this 360 bird view camera within stock system itself. So this screen comes with the vehicle itself. We haven't changed the screen, and using this remote we can start the camera system. So the sensor is beneath here, so I can just go there and click on the power on button, so which starts the camera. So by default the front camera will be turned on. If I shift the gear to the reverse, here you can see the reverse is selected, so it turns on the reverse camera. If I again shift to neutral, it will change the camera to the front camera. And using this remote, here you can see you can change the camera as well. So if I change the down button, it will change the camera to the back camera. So this is a back camera. If I change to front again, it will show the front camera. If I click on left, this is left. Click on right, this is right camera. Okay, and on the left side of the screen you can see that's the bird view, that all the views from 4 cameras can be seen here.